Welcome student. Today we are starting a new chapter from syllabus Mechanical Properties of Fluids. Fluid means a substance that can flow. For example, liquids and gases. A fluid is a substance that differ continuously under the action of an external force. We shall discuss mechanical properties of only liquids and gases in this chapter. Air, water, toothpaste, oil are the some common example of fluids. Molten lava is also the fluid. Listen student, we can understand fluid by making some simple assumption. The ideal fluid has the following properties. It has no rigidity or its rigidity is very low. Ideal fluid is incompressible, means its density is constant. Also, the ideal fluid flows is flow is irrotational. Its flow is smooth. There are no turbulence in the flow. Ideal fluid is non-viscous. There is no internal friction in the flow. That is, the fluid has no viscosity. Viscosity we are discuss further. Its flow is steady. Its velocity at each point is constant in time. Student, there are some general properties of fluid. They have ability to flow. They do not oppose deformation. They get permanently deformed. They have ability to take the shape of the container. The fluid exhibits these properties because it cannot oppose a shear stress when in the static equilibrium. It is important to understand the difference between a solid and fluid. Solid can be subjected to shear stress, means the tangential stress as shown in the first figure, and the normal stress is shown in the second figure. Student, we have studied this behavior of solid elastic behavior in a 11th standard mechanical properties of solid. So student, today we have studied about the fluids and its property. Fluid mechanics, it is the branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluid at rest as well as in a motion. The branch of physics which deals with the property of fluids at rest is called as hydrostatics, and the branch of physics which deals with the properties of fluids in motion is called as hydrodynamics. In the next few sessions, we will consider the some properties of fluid at rest, means a hydrostatics.